स्कूल ट्यून्स सीखो मजेदार अंदाज में।
2.10 Who ate the butter? Listen, repeat and enjoy. Two cats found a lump of butter. They both wanted the butter. They started fighting with each other. Cat 1, "It's mine." Cat 2, "No, it's mine." A monkey saw them. He said, "Don't fight. I shall make 2 equal parts for you." The monkey made 2 parts. Then he said, "This part is bigger. I shall have a bite and make it smaller." The monkey had a bite and then he said, "Oh, now this part looks bigger. I shall have a bite and make it smaller." The monkey did this again and again. Then he said, "This is too small. I will take a bite." "Oh, it's finished. Now tell, who ate the butter?"